how I made $1,676 in one day with affiliate marketing. You see today $1,676, and over here if you check yesterday $900. Now how I did is by using paid traffic, basically affiliate marketing with Warrior Plus. In this case, this is affiliate network, same like ClickBank. You're promoting low ticket offers. But the most important thing is how you can achieve these kind of numbers, as you can see here on my screen, right? And what is the most important thing when it comes to building affiliate marketing business? So let's go straight into it, okay? Before I go into it, you can see over here, you can find me over here later on my Instagram account, where I'm going to show exactly how you can have same kind of lifestyle, travel all around the world, thanks to affiliate marketing and paid advertising, okay? So let me show you over here. If I go to my PowerPoint, you can see exactly, right? We have unaware and problem aware audiences with solution aware, product aware, and most aware, okay? So it means the main secret when it comes to this is that you need to have for each of those, as you can see over here, right? 5 stages of audience awareness levels. You need different landing page. Now you're gonna say, okay, yo, I don't want to build different landing page. You don't have to. It can be all done for you, but the language has to be different. So when you're running ads, your language is going to be different for male or females, for people who are most aware. Those are low-hanging fruits. You know, this is like me and you going to iPhone shop and say, hey, give me this iPhone, I want it. I don't care how much it costs. I already know the brand. I just want to buy. Those are most aware people. They don't care. They buy from product reviews. But you, as an affiliate, remember this. I'm going to show you later. 10% are only most aware in direct response marketing. 10%. So I mean, everyone else is competing for this tiny 30,000 people, 40,000 people in a day, right? Now, if you want to be a master and become a real affiliate, super affiliate, and don't have to compete with other people, all right, who have only credit card and can buy ads, then you go over, or let's say after, unaware, problem aware audience. So we put them into the problem state and then move them slowly through 5 pre-selling points on ClickFunnels landing page or quiz funnel to the solution aware, where they buy the product now as they go through the quiz funnel, right? And it moves them and converts them into the buyer from not being even aware that they have a problem, right? Somewhere they have a problem, but they don't want the solution right now, right? So for example, like you, maybe you have back pain right now, as you're sitting watching me, listening to my voice, right? But you won't go and get a surgery or get implants or, I don't know, buy pills today, right? Maybe over a few days, go to pharmacy. So that's how it works. Do you see now? We are not using any AI secret voices. We are not using any machinery or expensive softwares. No, most of gurus are just selling you the shit or bullshit because they're making money off of you buying those AI voices or AI tools, right? AI is nothing. It's just a crutch that you can rely on to help you move forward, but it will not get done work for you. You need someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step, and show you how to build this sustainable income online, working 30 minutes to 1 hour a day, right? This is what it takes to run ads. Now, next thing is, remember, as I told you before, audience size, mostly in problem aware, right? It's 70%. And competition is only 10%. Now in solution, it's 5% audience size. Yes, but competition is high. Why? Because people have no skill about marketing, about psychology of ads, about digestibility of ads, how our eyes process ads, Facebook ads and Google ads. Once we see them on TikTok or YouTube, right? How our eyes and brain process. It's all important. It all matters. Now, also timeline. When I'm running ads in the morning, while I'm using different copy in the evening or night time. All this matters. Now, again, you don't have to do it or learn it yourself at all as a beginner. No. You need to have someone who can help you along the way, right? And do it together with you as we move forward. As you can see over here, right? So, Facebook ads, it's about attention and intention, right? So have you ever heard someone saying you need to get these ugly ass images up, right? And make it super ugly so people get curious, what is this, right? So you're just wasting your time and money, because at the end of the day, you're getting people who are curiosity clickers. They're just very curious. What is that? You get 1,000,000 clicks and 0 sales, right? And other guys get only 100 clicks and 15 sales. And you wonder what's happening. You don't have to be viral, okay? If you want to be viral and be a clown, you can do it. But if you want to get results, you don't have to be viral. No one have to know you. You know, you just have to have the right audience, eyeballs on your offer, right? And then you get sales, my friend. So this is how it works. This is how it works. Message to the market match, okay? So as I told you, most people running ads are just sitting on the sidelines and waiting for someone to, hey, oh shit, I have a problem. It will not happen. It won't. Believe me, it won't. You can try. You can waste more money and time. That's why you need someone who can help you and move you to see what you don't see, okay? Because you don't know what you don't know till you can see it, the bigger picture of making it happen now, right? So, why most quiz funnels don't work is because they don't have functionality, no functional questions. Do you agree with me? Most of the quiz funnels you see online is just about, are you male, are you female, are you from US, are you from Africa? Those are non-functional questions. Those are information-seeking questions, right? So what we do differently is we captured people, humans, in an information-seeking state, right? They go to Quizlet, on ClickFunnels, they see our ads, then we put them into the problem state using those functional questions, as I told you before, right? So this thing but done in my Facebook group. That's why I'm saying that you will see the rest of this post. You won't hear, but so you can understand, okay? It's gonna take too much time if I go into the details. If you really want someone to help you, you should consider that and understand that in 2024 you can install and duplicate this method to get fast results. All right? So you can see if you're spending $50 a day and getting only spending $1 per click, 50 clicks a day, you're earning around $300 a day. So profit is $250 US. Again, you're spending only $50 and you're making back $250 net profit, okay? You can do the math by yourself later, how fast and how quickly you can start earning money, right? So you have two choices. Now, one choice is you can leave this video, do nothing. You can go and do it yourself. You can say, oh, I want to save money. I will not invest and for someone to help me. I'll do it myself. You have a choice, right? You can keep making mistakes, trials and errors, getting your ad account shut down and wasting even more months than you would have to if you had someone who can help you along the way, and losing more money on ads, testing and split testing why it doesn't work. Or as you're smart, and I know you are, you could get one-on-one help, which is basically generating 2,500, let's say approximately dollars in your first 7 days of running ads, right? So you don't have to learn anything if you don't want to, but you gotta put at least 1 hour a day or 30 minutes at least per day into it, right? So no try and error here, and money in 7 days, and everything is already figured out for you, done for you, and done together with you as you go to create sustainable income online, right? Now, so as you watch this video, this is the math, okay? If the whole funnel is $408 and you're earning 90% affiliate commissions, it means from one sale, one person, if one person buys the whole funnel, you make $367 per day. That's more than $10,000 per month. With only one person buying $47 product, upsell for $97, and then down sales. You see, this is the math of affiliate marketing. And again, as I told you before, the action you take now will dictate where you end up in 30 days. In 30 days from now, you can be $10,000 or $5,000 richer, or not. That's entirely up to you, right? You have a choice to make now. So, if you want to know exactly how you can get similar results, or even better, what you can do after subscribing to my YouTube channel, you can connect with me, right? Over here, I showed you my IG before, Instagram, you have Facebook, you have my email, personal number, contact number, phone, WhatsApp. You can DM me there, text me or call me, but only if you are serious, right? If you really, really want to get the results. And I know you do, because you wouldn't be watching this video otherwise, right? So if you want to get results, sustainable, what is working, that is not outdated in 2024, as a beginner with affiliate marketing, using Facebook ads, YouTube ads, TikTok ads, or Google ads, in this case, let me know. Okay, and let's connect.